ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 71 श्लोका 2। गन्धर्वतामेष गतोऽपि रूक्षैः नादैः समुद्वेजितः सर्वलोकः भवद्विलोकावधिगोपवाटी प्रमर्द्य पापः पुनरापतत्वाम्। Word by word meaning. येषः पापः, this wicked Ashura. Gandharvatam, the form of a Gandharva. Gataha api, in spite of having assumed. Rukshaihi, nadaihi, with horrible noises. Samudvejita sarvalokah, frightening everyone. Bhavadvi lokavadhi, till he saw the Gopavatim, Gokula, Pramardhya, destroying, Punahatvam, Apatat, then rushed towards thee. Full meaning. In spite of having assumed the form of a Gandharva, this wicked Ashura made horrible noises, frightening everyone, and after destroying Gokula till he saw thee, rushed towards thee on seeing thee. Note, the word Gandharva means the divine singers of that name and also a horse. Om Tat Sat.